Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy, calm, and fun. I'm Olivia, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Olivia. And hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you again. I'm Jack, and today's topic is very special and very meaningful.
Yes, today we are talking about our goals for the year 2026. When I think about 2026, I feel excited, hopeful, and motivated. A new year always feels like a fresh start to me.
I feel the same way. A new year gives us new energy and new chances. It feels like opening a new chapter in our life.
I really like thinking about goals because goals give direction to my life. They help me understand where I'm going and what I want to improve.
That's very true. Goals help us focus on what is important. They remind us that change is possible, step by step.
Sometimes goals feel a little scary, especially when they are big. But at the same time, they feel inspiring. They make me want to grow, learn, and become better.
Yes, goals can feel scary, but they can also feel exciting. When I think about 2026, I feel curious and a little nervous too, but I think that feeling is normal.
I agree. Goals remind me that I can improve my life slowly and calmly. They help me dream bigger and believe in my future.
I believe goals give meaning to our daily actions. Even small actions feel important when we know our goal.
For me, goals are not only about success, they're also about happiness. I want my goals to help me feel calm, healthy, and confident.
That's a very healthy way to think. Many people believe goals must be big and difficult, but that's not true.
Exactly. Small goals are important too. Small steps can change life in a big way.
I really like that idea. Small goals feel more realistic and less stressful.
I also want to enjoy the journey, not only the result. That's why I like setting realistic goals.
Yes, goals should help us feel better, not stressed. When goals are too big, we can feel tired or disappointed.
But when goals are clear and simple, they give us strength. In 2026, I want my goals to support my mental and physical health.
Balance is very important. I also want to enjoy life while working toward my goals.
In 2026, I want to focus more on myself and my growth. I want to listen to my feelings and respect my needs.
That's very important. Sometimes life is busy and we forget to take care of ourselves.
Yes, that happens to me too. A new year reminds me to slow down and reflect.
Reflection helps us understand ourselves better.
I feel proud when I think about improving myself. Setting goals helps me believe in my future.
I believe reflection is very important before setting goals. It helps us learn from the past.
I like to think about what I did well and what I want to change. 2026 feels like a chance to become stronger and wiser.
Goals help turn thoughts into actions. They give structure to our dreams.
I also believe goals can change during the year, and that's okay. Life is not perfect.
Yes, sometimes plans need adjustment. Goals should guide us, not control us.
I want to be kind to myself if things don't go as planned. Progress is more important than perfection.
That idea makes me feel relaxed about the future.
Many people feel pressure to succeed quickly, but growth takes time.
In 2026, I want to be patient with myself. If I fail sometimes, I want to learn instead of giving up.
Goals are guides, not rules. They should support our lives, not make them harder.
Today, in this podcast, we want to share our 2026 goals honestly.
Yes, and we want our listeners to feel comfortable thinking about their own goals.
Everyone's goals are different, and that's beautiful.
Some people want success. Some people want peace. Some people want both.
All goals are valid and important.
We hope this conversation gives you courage and inspiration.
We also want this podcast to feel friendly and supportive.
We're not here to tell you what you must do. We're here to share ideas and feelings.
Listening to others can help us understand ourselves better.
Our goal is to help beginner English learners feel confident while listening.
We want you to feel relaxed and comfortable.
So today, we will talk about different types of goals for 2026.
We'll talk about personal goals, work goals, and life goals.
Let's talk about dreams, plans, and hope together.
Yes, let's enjoy this conversation together.
In 2026, one of my biggest personal goals is to take better care of myself. I want to listen to my body and rest when I feel tired.
That is a very important goal. Many people forget to listen to their body.
Sometimes I push myself too hard and forget my own needs. Next year, I want to be kinder and more patient with myself.
That sounds very healthy. Being kind to yourself is not weakness, it is strength.
I want to sleep well, eat healthy food, and feel balanced. This goal makes me feel calm and hopeful.
I feel the same way. My personal goal for 2026 is to improve my health step by step.
That's great. Step by step is the best way.
I want to exercise more, even if it's just walking every day. I also want to reduce stress and enjoy quiet moments.
When the body feels good, the mind feels good too.
Exactly. Health is the base for everything else in life.
Another personal goal I have is to build more confidence. Sometimes I doubt myself, even when I do my best.
That feeling is very common.
In 2026, I want to trust my abilities more. I want to speak with confidence and believe in my decisions.
Confidence helps us feel strong and positive.
This goal feels a little scary, but also exciting.
Confidence is also something I want to improve. I sometimes compare myself to others, and that makes me feel small.
Yes, comparison can be very difficult.
In 2026, I want to focus on my own journey. I want to grow at my own pace.
Confidence helps us enjoy life more. It also helps us try new things without fear.
That's very true.
I also want to grow emotionally in 2026. I want to understand my feelings better and express them clearly.
Emotional growth is very important.
Sometimes I keep emotions inside, and that makes me feel heavy. I want to learn how to speak honestly, but kindly.
That helps relationships become stronger.
This goal feels very meaningful to me.
I respect that goal a lot. I also want to manage my emotions better next year.
How do you want to do that?
When I feel angry or sad, I want to stay calm and patient. I want to respond, not react.
That is a powerful idea.
Emotional control helps us feel peaceful inside.
Another goal I have is to learn new things in 2026. I enjoy learning because it makes life interesting.
I love learning too.
I want to read more books and learn useful skills. Even small learning steps can make a big difference.
Learning keeps the mind active and young.
This goal makes me feel curious and excited.
I also want to continue learning in 2026. Knowledge gives confidence in daily life.
I don't want to stop growing as a person.
Knowledge is something no one can take away from us.
In 2026, I also want to build better habits. Good habits make life easier and more organized.
Habits shape our future.
I want to wake up earlier and start my day calmly. I also want to reduce bad habits that bring stress.
Changing habits takes time, but it's possible.
This goal helps me feel in control of my life.
Building habits is also one of my goals. Small habits like drinking water and stretching help a lot.
Good habits give structure to the day.
They make life feel stable and balanced.
Another personal goal is to enjoy life more and worry less. Sometimes I think too much about the future.
Worry can steal joy from life.
In 2026, I want to enjoy simple moments. I want to smile more and stress less.
Living in the present moment is very valuable.
This goal makes me feel lighter and more peaceful.
Peace of mind is one of the greatest goals.
I also want to improve my self-discipline next year. Discipline helps turn dreams into reality.
Motivation can disappear, but discipline stays.
I want to stay consistent even when things feel hard.
Self-discipline gives freedom.
It helps us reach our goals.
In 2026, I want to be more committed to myself.
Finally, one of my most important personal goals is self-acceptance. I want to stop being too hard on myself.
That is a beautiful goal.
Everyone makes mistakes. I want to celebrate progress, not perfection.
Self-acceptance brings peace and confidence.
This goal feels gentle and powerful.
I believe self-love is the foundation of all goals.
Now, let's talk about our work and study goals for 2026. Work goals are very important because we spend a lot of time working or studying.
Yes, work goals help us feel motivated and focused.
In 2026, one of my main goals is to grow in my work or studies. I want to learn new skills and feel more confident.
That's a great goal. Learning new skills helps us feel stronger and more prepared.
Sometimes work feels difficult, but goals give me motivation. I want to improve step by step and not rush myself.
That's a very healthy mindset.
I want to be proud of my effort, not only the result. This goal makes me feel hopeful and focused.
Work and career goals are important to me, too. In 2026, I want to become better at what I do.
How do you plan to do that?
I want to learn from my mistakes instead of feeling bad about them. Every mistake is a lesson.
That's a powerful way to grow.
Progress is more important than being perfect.
Another work goal I have is better time management. Sometimes I feel busy all day, but not productive.
I understand that feeling very well.
In 2026, I want to plan my day more clearly.
Good time management reduces stress and gives more free time.
Time management is also a big goal for me.
When I manage my time well, I feel calm and organized.
I want to stop doing too many things at the same time.
Yes, focus helps us work better and faster.
I also want to improve my communication skills at work or school. I want to speak clearly and listen carefully.
Communication changes everything at work.
Sometimes I feel shy, but I want to speak with confidence.
Good communication builds trust and teamwork.
In 2026, I want to be more organized in my work life. A clean space helps me feel calm and focused.
I feel the same way. When my workspace is clean, my mind feels clear.
Organization saves time and energy.
It helps us work more efficiently.
Another goal is to reduce work stress. I want to work hard, but also rest enough.
Balance between work and rest is very important.
Stress does not help performance.
A calm mind works better.
In 2026, I also want to be more confident when making decisions. Sometimes fear stops me.
Decision-making is a skill we can improve.
Even wrong decisions teach valuable lessons.
Confidence grows with practice.
My final work goal is to feel satisfied at the end of each day. I want to say, I did my best today.
That's a beautiful goal. Even small effort deserves respect.
Now let's talk about life goals for 2026.
Life goals help us feel happy and connected.
One of my biggest life goals is to stay healthy and active. Health helps me enjoy life fully.
Health is my top priority too.
I want to eat better, drink more water, and move my body more.
Small, healthy habits make a big difference.
Another life goal is to improve my mental health. I want to reduce stress and worry.
Peace of mind is very valuable.
I want to practice calm thinking and deep breathing.
A calm mind helps us make better decisions.
I also want to build stronger relationships with my family. Spending quality time is very important to me.
Family support gives comfort and strength.
I don't want to take these relationships for granted.
Strong family bonds make life meaningful.
Friendship is another important life goal for me. Good friends bring joy and support.
Healthy friendships make life brighter.
I want to be a better listener and a kinder friend.
Respect and honesty keep friendships strong.
As we come to the end of today's podcast, I feel very hopeful about 2026.
Me too. Talking about goals makes me feel inspired and positive.
Goals remind us that small actions matter.
They help us move forward step by step.
Remember, goals do not need to be perfect.
Progress is more important than pressure.
Be kind to yourself during the journey.
Life is happening now, not only in the future.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Daily.
We hope our conversation helped you think about your own goals.
Your goals are personal and special.
Every new year brings new possibilities.
We wish you a peaceful, healthy, and hopeful 2026.
See you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning.